Gigi the Gadget Goddess, and it is Friday, November 13th, 2020. It is iPhone delivery day. I got the 12 Pro Max in Pacific Blue, which you will hear me refer to as Pacific Blue. My last two iPhones, the XS Max and the 11 Pro Max, were both gold. That's why I went with the Pacific Blue, because I wanted something different. I consider myself bisexual because I keep an Android device and an iOS device. You can spell that T-E-C-H, or you can spell it T-E-X-T. Bisexual. It's easier to sync from iPhone to iPad than it is from Android to iPad. It just works easier that way. That being said, it is about 12 noon. My UPS man should be here between 1 and 5 according to my delivery schedule and according to when they usually come anyway. See you in a few. Have a good one. It is now 4:07. My delivery man comes around 4. UPS came, and then I just saw FedEx go down the street. So we get all our deliveries around 4 o'clock. I have Supershieldz matte tempered glass here. And I have a Spigen Liquid Crystal glitter case. My phone will not go without protection straight out of the box. First, I want to shout out my homeboy Scoop. Scoop always has the unboxing spoons or whatever he can find available. The Bonnet Scoop, shout out to you. I have the plastic unboxing knife, my dude. I just finished dinner. I had Chili's. So that's how we gonna roll, with a plastic unboxing knife. Let's see how this works out, y'all. Y'all don't think plastic can cut. Look there. Beast. I'm a beast. Ooh. See, I came outside for y'all so y'all can get the sun glistening off of this box. Try not to dox myself right now. That's what I'm trying not to do. So I'll just take this and this. I wanted y'all to get that full experience with me. Here we are. The beautiful blue. Tab on the bottom. Plastic is off. And again, I told y'all I went with the 256 blue. What shall I say? It's just not as big a box as it used to be. It's a heavy one, but I mean, my 11 Pro is heavy too. But you know your girl. I'm not going unprotected, so let's put the screen protector on. Here we are. The blue is pretty as I imagine. I like it. I like it a lot so far. But let's get this boy. Get those edges going. Look at that. The reflections out here in the sun. I will say, it feels kind of cheesy. Let's get this turned on. I will not be using the charging cable. I have plenty of those. I have wireless chargers, the whole 9. I will be using the SIM ejection tool. There's my welcome screen. It just popped up. We're going with English. We're in the US. Set up manually? No. So I brought it near and it's ready. So I need to hold that near the camera. Funny story, y'all. I told it on my live stream. When my mom got her iPhone, I said, hey, are you holding the circle near the camera? And she thought she needed to hold the circle near the camera hole. And while we let these two finish their business, I'm gonna let Yoda hold that. Use this old phone for Yoda. Let me do that. Continue. Get started. There I am. Hey, everybody. Okay. And pull this case out for y'all. Okay, Spigen with the... I opted for glittery. Can't get glittery on my Fold 2 quite yet. I did find one. It's coming from overseas, y'all, so I don't know when I'll do that video. Here's something to clean my screen off with, although I don't need that right now. Spigen gives you some nice books. If you're trying to get the stains off, they tell you how to do that. So I'm gonna file all that to the side. All that's great here. And here's the glittery case. Yay for glittery cases because I'm very much a female. Spigen also sells that in just regular clear, y'all. Now I feel better. We have a protective case and some dog hair on our phone. I'm gonna go back. Our update is still downloading, and that's the beautiful Spigen glittery case while we're setting this bad boy up. Takes away a little bit, not too much. Okay, Yoda. Gonna make you pull double duty here, sir. I'm gonna let that set up, and I'm gonna clean up, people. Closing the box back up, we'll add it to the other collection of iPhone boxes that we have. You know what I usually do and I didn't do today? I usually put the case on first. So when I go to align my screen protector, it's much easier. Don't do what I did. Do it the correct way. And how about our clutch unboxing plastic box? Let me go over this case some while this thing is still updating. It is a Spigen case. It has Spigen branding down the side. Down both sides, may I say. Air cushion technology featured on the top. Cutouts are sufficient for the bottom. Volume up and down has plenty of access. You got access for your holder switch between vibrate and sound. And your power button. My update is coming through now. I really do like this blue though. We got an update installed. Invasion of all the dogs in the neighborhood right now. My nephew has gotten the neighbor started. I'm gonna wrap this video up. This was just an unboxing, case, and screen protector installation video. I thank y'all for watching. Thank you for subscribing. But I appreciate you dropping by and hanging out with me through the experience. Hope everybody has a great evening, and I'll check you out on my first impressions video for the iPhone 12 Pro Max. I'll catch you on the next one. Holla!
Thank you.